Good morning. Nice chilly morning here at Cunningham Falls State Park. Just doing a little bit of mushroom hunt now. Just figured I'd come down here in the woods and check around and see what I could find. Had some good coffee this morning, had a good breakfast. I think we're gonna go fishing later here, probably in a little bit, and then might try to go mushroom hunting somewhere else. I don't really think this is too good of an area right around here, but plenty of areas to look around here, so let's see what we can find and hopefully catch some fish after it warms up a little bit. I'll head back up here, maybe drink another cup of coffee and figure out the game plan for the day. That's where they're coming down at the cliff trail.
Oh, they're coming down the cliff trail?
Uh-huh.
I thought they were coming down the falls trail.
No.
To the campground trail is 2/3 of a mile.
We're trying to find our kids in Papaw. We've seemed to misplace them.
Somewhere in the woods.
They're somewhere in here.
If they were coming off the campground trail, then that's 2/3 of a mile. So let's go this way.
You can definitely hike this trail, but it is all kinds of watch your step moments, right?
Yeah.
I mean, look up here. Trip hazard, trip hazard, trip hazard. Yeah, some guy was having his morning jog on this trail. There's no way. There's absolutely no way. Like, you'd roll an ankle and just face plant and eat it.
Can't run that good on flat ground.
Heck no. All right. It's hard to camera and walk at the same time. We're on the way to find Papaw and the girls. We think we're on the right trail. Look at a tree. You still back here? There you go. Nothing like wearing your Uggs while you're camping or hiking.
It's cold, but I didn't know we were doing that.
I'm gonna wear my hiking shoes. I brought my good Uggs. These will support my ankles.
I mean, it is still pretty dang cold.
Yeah. All right. North. Could be.
I thought you were lying there, right?
I'm telling you, we should do the 42 miles of the Appalachian Trail in Maryland. Pick like,
Are you talking to me?
yes. Pick like 4 or 5 weekends in the summer.
La, 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 la. I'm not listening. Hey, we found them. Now we're going to head back down to where we were, and then we're going to, I think we're going to go to the falls. That's a half-mile hike toward the falls. I'm the king of the world. I think you can hear the water.
Yeah.
5+ years since I've been here last. All right, now it's a half-mile walk back to the truck. We'll get the fishing rods. Got to find a bathroom. And then we're going to go fish. Hopefully we catch a little bit more than we caught last night. About half tired. Getting the work done today. A little leg workout. Still a little bit of beach fishing. Beach fishing. Ain't really catching much, but it is very pretty out here.
Can I get it off?
Yeah.
Can I get the towel?
Oh,
Oh, so cute.
holy, that went through its mouth.
No, stop stealing my spot. Right here.
In the water.
No, you have to cast it in the dark spots over there. Yeah. No, stop. She's taking my plate. Adelaide. Can I? No, you have to put it out in those spots where it's dark. Gotta get in it.
Can I flip it?
No. Can I hold it, Maddie? I caught one. Where's Papa?
He's over there around the corner.
Oh, I see him. Come on. Gosh, this thing like went through its mouth. It's almost out. On. Open your mouth. I'm mad at this. Don't hold it up against your jacket. Got it. I'm gonna hold it by the mouth.
Hold on, say cheese. You're gonna hold it by the...
Hey! Dad! Dad! Oh! Ow.
Good job.
I'm doing that again. Hang on. You go my line.
Lunchtime. Can't beat old turkey tomato and cheese sandwich. All packed up, ready to send it back home. Madison has a softball game tonight, so we've already get on it. You can't leave without going to the camp store to see what kind of goodies they have. And of course, the kids are going to need some stuff, but maybe I will too. Let's see what we got.
And then
Got walking sticks over there. Taxidermied animals, which is cool. All kinds of stuff.
look at the dog.
Nice to meet you. Thank you. I made it back home. Hello. All right, hey, thanks for watching Almost Outdoors. We'll see you next time where we're actually going to go camping. I'm not going to go pack my truck full just so I can pretend I'm poor for a weekend.